Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abby. Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple A-line skirt tutorial. So see you in the video. To start off this tutorial, what you'll be needing are your back and front pattern, also some extra piece of paper, tape measure, marker, scissors, a pin or a tape, a straight roller and French cuff. Currently, our front and back pattern has a 1-inch dart, and the first thing we'll be doing is to convert it into two darts that will be spread out along the skirt waistline. To do that, take your current waist measurement. My measurement here is 9 inches and you divide it by 3. Then mark it out. Take the 1-inch dart and mark it on the new measure point. So each side of the new measure point will be an 1/2 inch dart in total, carrying 1/4 on both sides. Draw a straight line at the midpoint. Using the same dart length of 5 inches, then you complete drawing in the dart. Repeat the steps for the other dart. Now that we have our two darts, cancel the middle one since it has no use. After plotting the two darts, go ahead and draw a straight line from the bottom of your dart to the end of your skirt and do the same for the other two. While drawing this line, make sure that the ruler is straight. Cut from where the line ends to the bottom of the dart and repeat the process. Then cut one leg of your dart, but not through, just leaving a little bit of paper, and repeat the step. Now that you've cut your dart legs, slide over the middle part towards the left part to cover the dart excess and tape it down. Then slide the right section underneath the middle part while eliminating the dart. So this is what it looks like. With the dart excess closed, bring in the extra sheet of paper, slide it underneath the opening and secure it with a pin. You can adjust the opening. My opening is 2 inches for now. Bring in the other sheet of paper, pin, measure and pin again. At the side of the pattern, measure 1 inch and draw a line from the bottom of the skirt to the hip level, and that should give you an extra excess for your A-line skirt pattern. Clean up your lines with the French cuff. Make sure that they match up with the existing line. Do the same for the waistline. And add more tape to secure the open edges. Then cut out your pattern pieces. For the back pattern, you do not need to split the dart as we did in the front, but if you want to do that, that's fine too. Now you have your front and back pattern. You can go ahead and cut it in your fabric of choice, and see you guys in the next vlog.